Hey baby girls, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to gel super short nails. Dandy's nails are really short and they are below her hypernychium, which makes it difficult to cap the ends properly with gel polish. First, let's start with the file. A thinner file works best for really short nails. This file actually looks so thick, but it's actually my thinnest file I own and it's not actually that thick, it just looks it on video. I always tend to shape really short nails squoval. This shape suits the nail best at this length. I also like to dust the nail off to make sure I can see exactly what I'm doing. Also, try to file as gently as possible as the skin is so much more sensitive with the nails being this short. Cuticle prep is essential when gelling nails, especially short nails, as most nail beds become so much longer by pushing the cuticles back. I find this step creates more nail length to paint. You can use any type of cuticle pusher. I always tend to pick up this curved cuticle pusher, as I can also use the sharper end to take any cuticles out of the side walls. Once you're happy you have pushed the cuticles back, you can then go in and cut all the dead skin away with your cuticle cutters. Careful, you're only taking away the dead skin. This is my favourite part of a manicure. It's just so satisfying getting rid of all that dead skin. It just cleans the nails up and makes them look so much tidier. It's then really important you buff the nail plate. I like to use the gel bottle buffer. This is going to prep your nail so it's then ready for the gel to grip to. Make sure you get right into the side walls, this will stop any lifting. I then just notice a little more cuticle that could come away, so I'm just going to snip that away. I then like to use an alcohol cleanser to cleanse all the nail plate. Once the nails are prepped, it's really important you just check the free edge to make sure there's no excess skin that will get in the way when you're capping the nails. If so, go in again and remove this. I then wipe the nails once more using an acetone wipe this time. This is what the brand of gel requires to prep the nails before painting. Make sure you check yours. Right, now it's time to start painting. So using your base coat, you're going to apply a thin coat as close to the cuticle as you can get, making sure you drag the product down to the free edge and remember to cap. On short nails, 9 times out of 10, you're going to get product on their skin. Please don't worry about this. In fact, it will mean that you are capping them well. So just make sure you wipe any excess product off the skin before you set them, and be careful not to touch the tip of the nail when doing this, as you will just wipe it off. I like to use my nail as a tool to do this. It works amazing. Unless you have no nails, in that case, you'll have to find a tool. To stop yourself getting into a mess, make sure you're always wiping the excess product that's on your finger onto like the couch roll underneath you, so your finger's always clean. Then set the nails and repeat on the other hand. And now we're going to go in with the colour. Again, apply a thinnish layer of colour starting from the cuticle, pulling the polish towards the tip of the nail and remembering to cap the nail. Don't worry again if you get this on the tip of the finger, just wipe away before setting. You can see I just wipe my excess of polish onto the tissue below me. Now we're going to repeat the second coat of colour, this time applying a little thicker. Last coat is the top coat, and we're going to apply in the exact same way, capping the tip and wiping any excess product off the fingertip. To finish, I always like to use a cuticle oil, but I don't put it directly onto the nail as this is going to dull the colour. I apply this with a brush around the nail plate. This makes them look so healthy and gorgeous. And there we have it, perfectly capped short nails that are totally transformed into these beauties. Super short nails can still look beautiful with gel polish. Let me know how you get on with these tips, and please press that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below if you have any tips for making short nails look amazing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!